In this video, we'll discuss regarding numbers in Python. We can do different operations on numbers in Python, different arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. We can just give 5 plus 6. And if you press shift plus enter in Jupyter Notebook, you will get the output 11, and you can use 6 minus 1. Directly you will get the output. And suppose if you want to calculate area of triangle, area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. You have to define the variables of base, height and area. 3 variables you have to define. Base equal to say suppose 7, height equal to 8, and if I want to calculate area of, here in Python 2 words are separated by underscore, that is called as snake case. Area of, in Java it is separated by a capital letter, in Python it is separated by an underscore. Area of triangle. Okay. Is equal to, area of triangle equal to base into height. I can just copy and paste this. Multiplied height. Copy paste is the best tool for coding, and if I press say shift and enter, or I have to print it, I have to copy this, I will copy it. I have to use either print area of triangle, or I have to just write in Jupyter Notebook, it is possible to just write that one. I will get the area of triangle. In the same way, we can calculate area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is nothing but base into height. Base into height. I will copy this and I will paste, and I will calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 or 0.5 base into height. It will give 28, and area of rectangle is just base into height. We can use the Jupyter Notebook just as a calculator. Okay, it will print. I have to use area of rectangle. I have to print. To print it, I have to use either print function, or just if I type the variable name, it will print the value inside it, that is 56. There are two types of number, integer and float. Suppose a equal to 5, a equal to 6. Suppose if you want to calculate type of a, it will be integer data type. If I make it as a decimal point, it will be a float. 6 point, say suppose 5, it is having a decimal point. This data type is called as floating data type, float type data type. Different operations can be done, like 10 divided by 3. We will get it as 3.3. This is a division operation. Suppose if I use 10 2-time division, it is called as floor division by 3. It will give integer division value. Another type of operation is a reminder operator. It will be like this. Suppose if I want to calculate uh, 18 divided by 5, here if I want to calculate the remainder after the division, means after getting, it will be 18 by 5, we will get 5 into 3, 15, and we will get 3 as a remainder here. Remainder operator is percentage, this one. If I use this one, I will get the remainder as 3. The remainder operator, this is percentage. If I type 10 plus 2 into 3, if I type 10 plus 2 into 3, it will give the answer 16. What it will do is, it will follow the rules bracket of division, addition, multiplication and subtraction, Bodemas rule. This rule it will follow. First, it will not give 36. It will give first, it will, if there is a bracket, it will remove that bracket, and it will divide first. Addition it will do, after that it will, sorry, here MAS, multiplication it should do, after that addition, after that subtraction. Here, as multiplication is having first precedence, it will do multiplication first, that is, it will multiply 2 with 3, after that it will add 10. Suppose if I want to get, if I put a bracket here, it will use the bracket first, means it will calculate first 10 plus 2, it will calculate the value inside the bracket, after that it will multiply. Suppose if you want to calculate monthly expenses like food expenses 2000, rent 1000 and other utilities 500, then we can use this one. These are the 3 expenses. Suppose if I want to calculate total, what I can do, total equal to, I can do operations like this, means I can just give addition. If there are integers, it will add them. These are the 3 types of numbers. It will integers, it will add, and if I use print total or just total in Jupyter Notebook, if I use total, it will print total. Suppose if we write these in, suppose if we want to add 2 numbers, suppose C is equal to A, C is equal to, suppose A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Suppose if I want to add A and B, it will be, and I have printed C, it will give 11. Here A and B data type are integer and it will add. Suppose if I write them in double quote or single quote, it will be a float. If I want to add these, it will give an error. Suppose if you are, it is hanging, no, you can see it is giving an error, cannot concatenate string with an int. Means here A data type is a string, B data type is an integer, they cannot add. To add, they should be integers only. Suppose what is string? In the previous video we have seen, if we write something inside the double quotes or single quote, it will be a string. If I use here this one 6, and if I use this one also in the double quote, here 5 and 6 both are strings. If I want to check the type of data here, type of A, it will be a string str, type of B is also an str only. If I use this, you can see, if I use addition operator, in between two strings, it will join them. It will join 5 in front of 6. This process is called as concatenation. This is called as concatenation. When two integers are there, this plus operator, it will work as an addition operator. If there are two strings, it will concatenate the two. If one is integer, another one is string, it will not process anything. You can see the type of A here is string. If I remove the quotes here, quotes, it will be an integer data type. Now if I run it again, it is adding. Previously it was printing one in front of the other, that is called as concatenation. Now it is adding, and if I check the type of data, it is an integer data type. Suppose while working on the Jupyter notebook, if you are getting something is hanging, or if you can use this operator, that is you can restart the kernel and clear output, then you will get the correct output. This is all for this video.